Hello teachers, this video will show you how to post assignments in Google Classroom. So go ahead and click on whatever Google Classroom you are going to be dealing with and whatever one you want to post an assignment in. And once you're there, you will by default be on the stream page of your class. So this is the fake class that I created. And as you can see, there's no upcoming work due. Anything that is upcoming would be on the left-hand side right here. And this is also what the students get to see. But then you go ahead, up at the top, there's 4 different options: stream, classwork, people, and grades. You want to click on classwork. And when you're in there, you can create assignments or you could create individual questions. You can use topics to organize the classwork into specific units, and you can also drag wherever you want the assignments to show up. But we're just dealing with the very simple point here of just creating an assignment. We're not worrying about anything else at this point. So you want to go ahead and click on the plus button that says create. And it's going to ask you, do you want to create an assignment, a quiz assignment, question, material, reuse a post, or create a topic? Again, we'll get into all the other ones later, but the very simple nature of Google Classroom is to just create an assignment. So you go ahead and click on assignment. And when you do, it opens up the assignment hub, and you have a few different options. You're going to put in the title, which you definitely have to do. And then you can also say who the students are for. So if you click on the drop down, if you already have students in your class, I don't, but you will see a list of all your students when you click on that. And if you don't want it to be for all students, you can uncheck it and then click on the specific students you want, which is helpful for differentiation, because if you have a slightly different assignment for somebody with an ISP, you don't have to click them for this one. You can click them for a different assignment that you create. You can change the number of points that you have. Usually that's going to correlate to whatever you have it in facts as. So yeah, a lot of times it's going to be out of 100. And then also due date. If you click on that, you can change the due date. A calendar comes up, which is helpful. And you can click on whatever date you want it to be due. So let's say it's the 17th, and you can also change the time. Let's say that I want it due by 10 a.m. I can put it right there. Now, topics we're not going to worry about because that's to organize information at a later time. Don't worry about it for now. So I'm going to title this Homework 1, and my instructions are just going to say, please do the questions and submit it here. Now, once you have that, you can just put in your instructions the questions. I can just list what is the name of the theater Shakespeare used, right? And I can just put more questions like that, and then the students would answer it in a doc and upload it here for me to view and then grade. Or if I have a document with all the questions, I can click on the add button here with the little paper clip, and I can choose a document straight from Google Drive. So maybe I already have that Google Doc available to them, and I can give it straight to them. Maybe it's a link to where the questions are. Maybe it's a different website that lists those questions. A file from my computer. Maybe I have a PDF document, or I have a Microsoft Word document. I can upload that straight there. Or maybe the questions come from an actual YouTube video and I want to embed the YouTube video there. I can do that. I could also create a doc straight from this assignment hub. Right? So I could click on that and then create the actual questions on there, and the students would have access to it. So whatever you want to do, feel free. You can have all those options at your disposal. But for right now, I'm just going to pretend like I listed the questions right here, like I did for number 1. And I'm going to go ahead at the upper right-hand corner, and I'm going to hit assign. And once that happens, every student gets a notification that work is assigned, and it shows them the due date. So here I am in the classwork page, homework number 1, due March 17th, 10 a.m. Now also note that if you go back to the stream page, you will see that it's been posted as well. A lot of students grab their assignment straight from the stream page. So just make sure that you tell them that if there's a lot of stuff on the stream page, just go to classwork and you can see all the assignments in order. And when you have more assignments, just know that this ends up being moved down, but you can drag and drop it wherever you want. So once again, real quick, you just go to the classwork page, hit the plus sign for create, hit assignment, type in your details, and then click assign. And that is how you assign work in Google Classroom.